Hello, my name is Muhammad Ad. Welcome to my pronunciation lesson of capstone 2. Today, I'm going to introduce the long I. Let's go with it. Okay, my students, how are you today? So, firstly, I would like you to give me as many words as you know with short I. Remember this? Like in. Great. Excellent. It. Fin. Great. Pin. Excellent. Fit. Lit. Wit. Win. Bin, pin, fin. Fantastic. You give me a lot of words. Great job. Thank you for your work. So now I'm going to introduce you to something that I'm sure you would like today. Let's go with it. Okay, take a quick look at these new words. Right, so what do you know about them? Look at this. Try to read them out. Like kite, okay, pine, ripe, fine. Okay, so we are going to listen to them, to each of them to introduce this, and you're going to notice something. I'm sure you can do it. Right, so let's go for listening to these letters together. Here we go, right? Okay,
Page 12. B.
listen to
Listen,
this.
point, and read. 1,
Kite. I. Kite.
2,
I. N. Pine.
Pine, great. P, I, n, pine, great job. Pine. Okay, let's get back to these words. Kite, pine, ripe, fine, Ite, kite, p, ein, pine, ripe, and so on. Great job. Now, let's look at the following. I want you to read both of the words. Here you can find in your left hand some words you have covered before. We studied this last week. That's great. Kit, pin, rip, fin, fantastic. Kit, pin, rip, fin. Excellent. Now I want you to look at the words on your right hand and try to read them. Kite, pine, ripe, fine. Great job. So I want you now to tell me the difference between both sounds. In the first words, kit, pin, rip, fin. So letter I or sound I. The sound I, the I sound, is it short or long? Great, we covered this before, teacher. It's short. It's short I. Here in this case, as in kite, pine, ripe, fine. Okay, so is the I sound short or long? Great job. In this case, the I sound is a long sound. Fantastic. Now, I want you to look at these words, please, and tell me how is the I sound, the long I, is produced. Now, tell me, please. You can see here I-T-E, I-N-E, I-P-E, I-N-E. So how can we produce this sound? Okay, we have I plus a consonant, excellent, and E. Do we pronounce the E? No. Okay, here, I consonant E. I consonant E. That's great. This is how to produce the long I sound. Now, I want you to practice more with more models, please. So let's go to the end of this page, right? I want you to read this sentence. Okay, my kite, yes, is, good job, read it. Fine, in, it's a short I, the pine. My kite is fine in the pine. Good job. You're doing great. Now let's move to this. I would like you to look at more examples. Here we go, right? You can see this. Okay. A 5 on a 9. Great. 2, 9 kites. Open your cameras and I want to hear your voices. Right. 9 kites in a pine. Good job. 5 bikes in a line. A 9 on a 5. Good job. Great. Great work. Now we are moving to more exercises. I want you now to look at this, please, in pairs. I divide you into pairs. I use my breakout rooms, and I want you to do this exercise. So here you go. You have to match the following words. I think you know all of them, right? We studied the short I words before, and now we are introduced into the long I ones. So do this. You have just 1 minute to complete this task. Let's go. Good job. Right. So where can I buy? And great job. You can send me the pictures on yes, on the chat box. I see fantastic answers. Great buying. Excellent. Right. Ripe. Great. Look at the bananas. The ripe one here. It's on your right hand, I think. Pin. Great. This is a pin. We studied this before. Kite. Everybody knows kite. Okay. Fine. Great. He's good. How are you? I'm fine. And rip is to cut. Good job. Great. Great. You're doing great. You can check your answers in pairs. Fantastic job. You are doing great. Thank you. Right. Now we are moving on to the next exercise here. Right. The letters are scrambled, so I want you to make words. The first one, ripe. Great. Long I. R-I-P-E. 2, kite. Great. K-I-T-E. 3, fine. Brilliant. F-I-N-E. The last one is pine. P-I-N-E. You are doing great, my dear friends. So now, again, in pairs, I want you now to uh, take a quick look at this story. We are going to read a story together. It's titled as I Can Mike. Now you have copies of this story, right? So let's go for this. I want you to read the story, then we are back. You are doing great, my friends. Okay, so that's right. We can see words like quite, alike. Good job. They are the same. Maybe somehow they are the same. Good job. Great, my friends. Okay,